The Optimum RD5 is a radial drilling machine and is primarily used in heavy steel and mechanical engineering. The motorized adjustable arm enables easy positioning at larger distances without reclamping. The machine is particularly suitable for larger components such as beams or machine components where larger distances between the holes are needed. The distance between the column and the main spindle is a maximum of 1.10 meters, or a speed range of 37 to 1250 RPM, and features a 3-stage precise feed rate of 0.05 to 0.15 millimeters per revolution. The RD5 can drill holes up to a diameter of 45 millimeters and also cut threads up to a diameter of 40 millimeters. As soon as the quill is moved down from the upper end bearing, the machine starts automatically at the previously selected speed. The changeover switch and the electric motor brake make it possible to switch the direction of rotation precisely when thread cutting. For the user who has to machine larger components, the RD5 is a real alternative to a normal pillar drill. Overall, the RD5 is a serious industrial machine